Hey all, Gary here from Caterbox. I'm just out here doing a service call on a commercial dishwasher. Commend the dishwasher at the moment, and I just want to show you something here. This is a very common problem with commercial dishwashers. Stuff getting stuck in the drain pump. So I have a drain pump out here at the moment. As you can see, this is a drain pump, and inside the drain pump, if you look inside that hole there, you'll see a black object. I don't know what this is yet, but I'm just about to take the cover off to have a look at it. But that's basically jamming the propeller, and the drain pump has stopped working. So I'm just going to take off this cover now and have a look and see what it is. So bear with me for a second. Here we are. Pop it off. Oh. Screw. Take the cover off here. And there we have it. This is what was in there. It's usually a plastic spoon. That's the chief offender in these circumstances, but I don't know what that is. It's a crusher in, so I think it might be a bit of Lego. Belonged to one of the kids. But so basically that was jamming the pump. So I'm just gonna put this back together and put it back in the machine, and everything should be a-okay. So that's Gary, and the company is Caterbox.